Hello, tutor and mate. This is a presentation for a video for English conversation. Task 1, code recognition. Myself introduction. My name is Rocío del Pilar Colmenares. I live in Sopoco, Dinamarca. I am 41 years old. I have one son. His name is Santiago. I am separate. I had acquired the level of English through the years of study at the school and university. Strategies for improve in English. Strategies 1. Think in English. Think in English about your day or order food. If you think in English, it will be easier to speak in English. Second strategy, try some tongue twister. These kind of word games will help you make your mouth and tongue and improve your pronunciation. Strategy 3. Listen and repeat. Watching TV shows or YouTube videos improves fluency by choosing videos at segment on the program and repeat this will help. Also meet the tone, speed and even the accent, tell like the characters of the program. And the last strategy is just relax. Don't worry, if you get confused, just breathe and start again. Gain confidence with the speed English. Thank you very much for watching video and hope comments. Bye bye.